Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. What's up? This is Agashi watching my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm set up Firefox. So now I'm coming Firefox website and just download this browser. So you download should begin automatically, don't work, try download again. So we just will reload this page. I'm waiting. So guys, download automatically. So I'm just switch download file. So guys, I'm just download complete this browser and I'm just click double with install process and set up all process. So you just keep watching this video. So I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe my channel and like this video. So guys, permission click yes and install process start. So now installing. So I'm waiting for feedback. So guys, you watching this video, so you still complete Firefox install process. So I'm just typing Firefox, or here Firefox, I'm just click and open this Firefox. So guys, now open Firefox and I am just complete the setup. So save and continue. We just look if you save film taskbar tool and set Firefox default browser. So I cannot default and input from previous browser, so just pin to taskbar. Okay, just save and continue. Okay, and stay and create when you hop between device. So skip this OS. Okay, no thanks. Self staff recommendation on add-on. Skip this process and start browsing. So guys, now set up my Firefox browser. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. Bye bye.